Okay, so we've got a 6-metre Terrano here. Just having a look at the machine itself. This is an MT Terrano, so it stands for maize Terrano. So we have the cultivated discs up the front. We have 52 centimetre discs on the front here. We have HD bearings in here, full of grease, non-maintenance, so absolutely do nothing there. As you can see, the build quality of what they do, they use a massive forged hanger here. We also use a longer rubber than most people ever have. And then what they've done here is obviously offset, so all your strength comes right across onto your rubber. We also use 2 discs, 2 bearings on one hanger, and that allows us to have more trash clearance through the machine. Then with this Terrano, then we go to our ripping legs, which is 550 kg breakout. We also, with this machine, what we're trying to get down to is 1 pass right through the whole machine. We have the soil deflectors here, so then it actually pushes the soil back in. As you can see on the other side, it will do the same. At the front one here, it'll bring it back the opposite way. So then what we're trying to do is level the soil through the machine and then go to what we call our leveling discs at the rear. The leveling discs are set to whatever depth you want there to try and flatten the country out, and then we go back to our double pack roller at the rear, which consolidates the soil. As you can see with the build quality of the machine, second to none with HORSCH. The steel is all hot rolled steel. Then they can laser cut it and make sure that everything is precise when they get it welded. A lot of stuff's welded by robots. Quite simple to set the machine up. To set the machine up, we've got our depth controls around here. So we just change our chocks to whatever depth we want for the machine. The roller packer at the rear will keep the depth, and then obviously put our tines in for whatever depth that is. And then also up the front, we can hydraulically lift the discs at the front to whatever depth we want with them. So quite simple to use. But the whole idea is to try and get through, mix our soil, break our stubble up, deep rip, and then level the country out in 1 pass. So that's the key. Thanks to Danny Saltmarsh for bringing it here today.